Did I buy 2 cars? What is up, YouTube? You're back on S Motorsports, and I got 2 Camaro 1LEs in the garage. So you're probably wondering, did I buy 2 cars? Maybe, maybe not. So this is my buddy's car that I was talking about in a few episodes in the past. We are going to be working on putting on headers on his car, the Speed Engineering headers that I showed earlier. So we got these all set up, and we're gonna start working on it. So I'm not gonna bore you with another install video, so I'll put the link up here or somewhere for the last install on my car. It's gonna be the same, but then his car right now has Corsa midpipe and exhaust, so I wanna show what that looks like, how we're gonna integrate that, because that's gonna be a little bit of work. But then we're gonna get some exhaust clips with Speed Engineering headers with the Corsa exhaust, and then he also is getting the Corsa NPP valved exhaust as well. Right now his is not valved, so we'll get some sound clips of that, and then I'll throw in some sound clips of my car as well, so we can do a really nice comparison video. So that's really what this video is going to be about, is exhaust comparisons. So we're going to have that, getting the headers installed, maybe show you a little bit along the way of how we integrate it. But otherwise, we'll basically get to the exhaust sound clips. So, all right, let's get to it. Guys, quick update. Headers are all installed already. Went really good with both me and my buddy working on it. We knocked it out lickety split. So right now we're just trying to get the headers connected up to the rest of the system. But yeah, I mean, we got the headers all installed. It went really good. Obviously, doing it a couple times, you kind of know what you got to do. But as you can see, the pipes there, he's got the other ones. We're trying to get them modified a little bit. We took some measurements and stuff, and we'll get them connected up and hopefully start it up yet today. So just giving you a quick update, and next hopefully will be the sound clips.
One eternity later.
Is that loud? Is it loud? Jesus. All right, guys, so that's it. I kind of wanted to just give you a quick overview of my thoughts of the different exhaust installs. So my car has the Speed Engineering headers with NPP exhaust, and my buddy's car has the Speed Engineering headers with the Corsa muffler Extremes, no valves. So he ordered the mufflers with the valves from Corsa, but they did not come in time for us to swap those out as well. He's been waiting for a while, as everyone is having the same problem trying to order those mufflers. So he had the Corsa XX Midpipe, which he wanted to keep, rightfully so. That's a nice midpipe. But the connection between the Speed Engineering headers and that, he had to get custom pipes made, which was fine, but in the end, it probably cost him the same as if he would have just bought the Speed Engineering midpipe kit. And it was a little bit more difficult. So it fits just okay. In the end, I think he's gonna order the Speed Engineering midpipe kit and probably swap that out and maybe sell the other parts or keep them, I'm not sure. The easiest route would be to just get the Speed Engineering headers and midpipe. The only downfall is that you might have to replace that cross member under there, as the Speed Engineering kit is kind of a little bit lower versus the Corsa midpipe kind of goes up over that cross member. And that was part of the problem. Those connection pipes were just level, straight, and when it connected up to the X pipe, trying to lift that up, kind of would lift it up real high, and it was almost, the way those Corsa midpipes come in, they're kind of angling down, and it was kind of lifting up on the Speed Engineering headers. So it's just not the perfect fit. Obviously, you could take your car to an exhaust shop and they could make you something, but it's probably gonna cost way more than if you would just buy the midpipe to begin with. But the Corsa midpipe, or the Corsa mufflers on the Speed Engineering headers did definitely sound good. It had a lower tone. It's hard to tell probably from the videos, but it is louder for sure. It's not unbearable in the car. It's definitely more noticeable. But if you have the valved exhaust, obviously you can make it quiet, so it's not a big deal. But it definitely did sound good, a little bit lower. In the end, I like the NPP exhaust and the sound level, and obviously it's a lot lower cost because I don't have to spend how much on mufflers. But let me know what you guys think of the different sounds, which one you like better. So until next time, thanks for joining in. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the video. I got some more content coming up on the Camaro, as well as the Trans Am for this winter. So stay tuned. Thanks, guys.